you think your garlic's nice and cooked? Ding and Nettles, they go straight in. Yeah, all cooked together, that smells amazing, smell that.
Smells good.
Back on. Now it's time to toast the bread. This fire's so hot. Bread's nice and toasted. You see that? Steaming Nettles. Cook down nicely. Now all you need is a bit of salt and pepper.
Smells nice and garlicky.
Just dot these little flowers around. And there we go, guys. It's pretty easy, you can find it anywhere. It literally grows everywhere. Now it's time to turn the chicken over. It's looking pretty good already, you can see. It's got some nice colour on it. It really smells amazing as well. And back on for another 10 minutes. Looking really good. You can see it's all caramelised nicely. We'll take it outside to plate up. So now we've got our spicy barbecue glazed chicken here. It's looking amazing. Just going to plate it up on here. You can see where it's caramelised really nicely. Sprinkle in these spring onions. Gives a nice extra crunch to the dish. And then we're just going to finish it with a little bit of this balsamic glaze. There you have it, everyone. Really nice simple dish that anyone can make in their acti fry. It only took about 20 minutes. Put it straight in the salad. So now it's time to chop up your feta into smallish cubes. You want everyone to be able to get some of this. And then again, this can go straight in the bowl. The incredible contrasting colours really looks amazing as well. Time to plate up your salad. It's pretty much ready to go. You just want a few croutons. So here you have it, guys. A really tasty summer salad. You can see it looks amazing. We're going to just tuck into this now. Thanks for watching, and I hope you give it a try. You can store these up to 2 weeks in an airtight container, or you could freeze them so they could last a lot longer. So thanks for watching this episode, guys. We like more crumble, and obviously what goes better with this than a little bit of custard as well. Can press it down a little bit, but there you go. It's pretty much ready to go in the oven. Probably take about 20 minutes to half an hour in the oven on gas mark 5. I think it's about 160 degrees. Won't take long. There you go. That is a perfect looking crumble. Yeah, that's rubbish. So now for the next step, we've got the 2 different cheeses. It's kind of hard to tell the difference. but you just gotta taste it a little bit sometimes. Yeah, the vegan cheese on the vegan one. And the normal cheese on the normal one. Put them back in the oven. So here you have it everyone, all ready to go for the Sunday roast. And they both look pretty amazing. Now like I said, if you want to cook it non-vegan, it's exactly the same as before. Just use real cheese and real milk. That's it. So yeah, I hope you get a chance to try this, and thank you to everybody that watches these videos. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye. You can see it's really bubbling away now. Most of the sugar's dissolved in there. So here we have it guys, the balsamic glaze is all ready. You can see it looks just like one you would buy, if not better. So first things first, we'll prepare our salad. It's pretty simple. You got a lot of salad leaves here. Just gonna get all of this and just put it straight in. And just give it a little mix up. See, that already looks amazing. Now, the glaze. And you're ready to go. Here it is. Ready to go in the glass. Another tip is you could always put your bananas in the freezer, or the raspberries, and it will help as well. So you want to add a few ice cubes, as it's insanely hot right now, and then just a little bit of garnish. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Oh, and I forgot to say, massive thanks to everyone that's been watching these videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Cheers! We got about a minute left, I reckon, and we'll be good to go. You can see, we lift it up under there, it's looking really nice. So now your omelette's just about ready, it's time to fold it over. It's nice and caramelised underneath. A little bit black for some people, but still tastes incredible. I'll give it a try. What a place to eat it as well. So there you have it guys, a really tasty celeriac soup. I'm just going to add a little balsamic glaze on top. Adds a nice extra flavour and it also looks amazing. Make sure to try this if you have a chance, it's really amazing. I've already had a little bit behind the scenes. And it's time for the wedges. You can see these are looking amazing, nice and crispy. And of course for sweet corn, you've got to have butter. From sticking, because it is pretty hot on here. And you don't want to lose any halloumi. So here you have it guys, we've got these amazing kebabs here. The end product, we're going to have these with some incredible chicken. Just going to eat these now, it's going to be amazing. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. In there. You can smell it already, the flavours are all coming out of here. Once you have it like that, all the lemon juice, olive oil, salt and peppers all incorporated nicely. Now leave that to one side. Now it's time to toast your bread. Now all we got to do is add this amazing topping to it. You can see there's so much flavour going on in this bowl. So then simply just pile it on. And now just a quick drizzle of olive oil and you're ready to go. So here you have it, guys. I hope you like this recipe, and we've got plenty of other recipes if you fancy having a look. Thanks to everyone for watching and subscribing, and don't forget to like. Sauce in there as well, so we won't be needing gravy today. Now a good technique is to put this on little separate bits. If you put it all in one go, sometimes it might sink. You don't want that. Now this is where the fork comes in handy. You can see what I'm doing with the fork here. That will help the potato crisp up really nicely. Golden brown, hopefully. Then it's ready to go in the oven. Gas mark 7. Ready to go in about 20 minutes, half an hour. And that gets nice and golden brown. Look at that, it's looking pretty good. You can see where we used the fork. It's made that crispy topping. So there you have it, guys. Traditional English cottage pie. Hope you like this recipe. It does taste amazing. I've made loads of them in my lifetime.